Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Okay, see in this video how to access the items in the set. Okay, see, but in previous concepts like tuple and list, we access the elements by using indexes. Okay, but in sets, index concept is not there. That's why, okay, we don't have any way to operate individual items. Okay, individual items, but we have another way, that is by using for loops. Okay, by using for loop, let's have a look. If you want to print the elements in the set in this way, for item, okay, for item in this set, okay, for item in this set, print item, okay, print item. Okay, in this way we have to print the whatever items in the set. Okay, in this way we have whatever items in the set. There is no another way to print the items in the set. This is the one way. Okay, so by using index numbers not possible to know. That means by using range, okay, the range method is not possible to use in sets. Okay, only for item in this set. In that means the element in variable only one way. Okay, next, if the any one particular item is present or not in the set, we have checked that. Okay, for an example, if banana, okay, if banana in this set, okay, if banana in this set, print print if it's possible, okay, if its condition is true, it will print as, then otherwise it will print no. Okay, then otherwise it will print no. Let's check it. Yes, banana present in this tuple. Okay, sorry, banana present in this set. Okay, suppose suppose cherry cherry is present in this set, it will print yes, then otherwise it will print no. Okay, here I am changing orange. Okay, orange. Now suppose orange present in this set, it will print yes, then otherwise no. Orange is present in this particular set, no, that's why it will print no. Okay, this is the positive way to check element. Okay, positive way to check element. Now we will see the negative way. That means banana, already here up to now we checked banana presented or not, checked up to now. Now banana not presented or not in this set. Okay, for an example, here in up to now in I given, now I am changing it not in. That means suppose banana not in this set, it will print yes. Okay, suppose banana not there, okay, banana element not there in that set, and now it will print yes. Okay, suppose present is there, that means occurred in that set, it will print no. Okay, let's have a check. Yes, no. Why? Because banana have in this set. Okay, banana have in this set, that's why it will print no. Suppose not there means it will print yes. For an example, I am giving orange. Okay, suppose orange is in list, no. Orange not in sorry, orange in this set, no. Orange not in this set, that's why it will print yes. Okay, that's why it will print yes. In this way we have check elements in this particular set. Okay, only these two ways we have to access the items for particular set. Okay, I hope you understand, friends. Please, let's do practice. Okay, if you practice, you understand very easily. Okay, thank you so much.